Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking for a fantastic alternative to smoked turkey for your Thanksgiving Day dinner? Well, I got you covered. Today, right here on the Dawgfatha's Barbecue YouTube channel, we're going to be doing smoked Cornish game hens for your Thanksgiving Day dinner. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so again, we're doing smoked Cornish game hens today for Thanksgiving Day dinner. You know, this is a fantastic alternative for people that don't want to make turkey for Thanksgiving Day dinner. You know, there's various reasons. Maybe you don't have a huge family, or maybe you're just cooking for yourself, or maybe you just don't like turkey and you want something different. Well, Cornish game hens is a fantastic alternative to making turkey. You kind of stay into the poultry realm of, you know, the traditional for Thanksgiving Day, but it's a little different. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get these Cornish game hens all prepared to get on our smoker, and let's get this cook going. So let's go. Alright gang, so I'm going to show you guys how we're going to get this Cornish hen prepared. Now, to start off here, I've got a Creole butter that I put together, and I'll put the recipe down there in the description box so you can check it out. But it's basically just a stick of unsalted butter, some Sweet Smoky Joe's Creole kick, and a little bit of garlic and chicken bouillon. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this, this bird all injected here. Now this is just a regular injector that you use for whether you're injecting brisket or chicken, ribs, whatever. So that's what we've got here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this loaded up. Now what I like to do here when I'm injecting a Cornish hen is I want to make sure I hit the breast areas, and I might hit the leg areas. Wings, I'm not really worried about. They're a little small, so we're not really gonna worry about the wings. But what I try to do is I get up under the skin here right at the neck, and just kind of push into that breast, and then just kind of move the needle around while I'm injecting some of that butter into it. Then I pinch the skin as I pull the injector out, just so it doesn't start running out. And we'll come over to the other side and we'll hit this other breast, and same thing. Again, pinch the skin as I pull that injector out, kind of rub it around a little bit. That just kind of helps that marinade to kind of get down into that meat and not start running right out of that hole that we just made. And it's just that simple, guys. And we're right into the leg there. And you can see it squirted just a little bit on us, but it's all good. We'll get into this other leg. I'm kind of pushing that skin against where I injected that there, so it didn't run out that time. But that's pretty much it, guys, as far as putting the injection in on this one bird. At this point, all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back with my Sweet Smoky Joe's here, and we're going to go ahead and get this bird seasoned up on the exterior. And so I'm going to start off here on the back side. Just sprinkle some on. And then flip it over. And we'll get some put on the top side. And pretty much, guys, that's it. This bird is all ready to go onto the pit. Now I've got 3 other birds that I'm going to be preparing, so I'm going to get those done and I'll meet you at the grill, okay? Alright guys, so hey. So our weapon of choice today is going to be our Louisiana Grills Black Label 1200. We're going to be running this today with B&B brand post oak pellets, and we're going to be running at a temperature of about 275 degrees. Now the key with this cook today is we're looking for an internal temperature in the breast to be about 165 degrees and about 175 degrees in the thigh of these birds. So let's go ahead and get these birds put onto our Black Label. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so we're about 45 minutes into this cook. And we're just kind of taking a look at our birds here, and they're coming along pretty well. Just gonna take a look at them here. You can see they're plenty juicy there. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take our mixture that we did the injection with, and we're going to baste the birds with it. And feel free to add more butter to it if you feel like you need to or whatever. And as I'm putting these back on, I'm kind of putting them in reverse order just to rotate them around. Alright, we'll close it up and we'll come back in another 30 minutes and take a look. Alright guys, we're about an hour and 10 minutes into this cook, and we're going to check some temperatures here. Now I'm going to be using my ThermoProbe here, and again guys, if you don't have one of these and you're looking for a good temp probe, look down in the links in the description box below. Again, we're looking for about 165 degrees in the thickest part of the breast. We're at 168 right there. About 161 there. And 167 there. And 163 right here guys. So I'm gonna give them probably about another maybe 5-10 minutes, and then we'll go get these birds off and let them rest. Alright gang, so let's do a recap of what we did with today's cook. Now again, we're doing Cornish game hens as an alternative to turkey for Thanksgiving dinner. So we got us some Cornish game hens, and we're just got them injected. We put together a Creole butter that consisted of a stick of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and a couple tablespoons of our Sweet Smoky Joe's Creole kick. And we got that all mixed up together into our butter, and we injected it into our bird. Once we got that done, we covered the bird with the Sweet Smoky Joe's Creole kick, and we got it onto our barbecue pit. Now today we're using our Black Label 1200 by Louisiana Grills. We ran it at 275 degrees, and we used B&B brand post oak pellets. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees in the thickest part of the breast, and about 175 degrees in the thigh. Once we got that, the juices are running clear, the bird is ready to go. We got it off the pit and we let it rest, and now guys, you're caught up on what we did with today's cook. So let's get over here and let's go taste this Cornish game hen. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so here we have our finished product of this beautiful Cornish game hen here, and I'm going to use my Dow Strong knife here to go ahead and get a slice of this. And guys, if you don't have a great knife, I highly recommend Dow Strong series knives. I've got a link down there in my description box that you can check out if you decide you want to pick up a Dow Strong knife. But hey, let's cut some of this off of here. Alright, so there you go. A couple of slices off of this bird, and you can kind of see that Creole butter kind of creeping through right there. But man, let's take a bite of this. Alright guys, so hey, again, this is a fantastic alternative to smoked turkey if you like for Thanksgiving Day. But guys, hey, if you enjoyed what you saw here and you found some good value in it, be sure to check out a couple of videos I got listed right here, as well as click on that link up there and subscribe to the channel. Alright, cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.